Crazy. So we've got Tim and Justin here, Tower
Hey,
Sales team, Tower Sales experts dealing with small business retailers. What I want to do is come up with a kind of a 90-second pitch that you would give somebody who can't make it to the gift fair, who can't get to see your awesome faces and find out what's good about Tower Systems. So this is going to be your elevator pitch. You're going to have 90 seconds. And if you don't do it in 90 seconds, we're going to throw water at you or something like that through the
I
screen. But I'm going to go first. For me, the 90-second pitch for Tower at the gift fair this year is all about retail transformation. Retail's changing so much. There are so many changes occurring across a whole range of retail sectors, gifts and newsagents and jewelers and bike shops. All these sort of businesses are undergoing change. And our software is helping retail businesses transform their businesses in store and online. So for me, what we're going to be showing is about retail transformation using point of sale software. Tim, what's your 90-second pitch?
look, I mean, I can't initially. I want to say the cliche of better software, better service, but look
Oh,
at the
you're putting
same
me to
time,
sleep.
I know, and that's why I'm kind of backtracking on that. It's really about how we can help, like the tools we have in place to help with data conversion. Most businesses are coming to us from a system wanting to come across, so we can help move that data across. We provide training. It really is a seamless process to get from A to B. And secondly, just very quickly is FPOS integration. We offer a heap of various tools for FPOS integration, so retailers can choose who they go with for that service rather than being tethered to a particular provider and having their rates decided for them. So yeah, I would say it's about the tools we have in place to help with the transition and saving money on fees and things like that.
Excellent. I love your definition of 90 seconds there. Justin, what is your elevator pitch, your 90-second pitch for someone
Yeah.
about Tower at the gift fair?
Well, look, it's very rare I talk to anyone these days without a website. So my one is the e-commerce integration. So we've got four integrations: BigCommerce, Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. And just the smarts around the integration. So we've done some integrations with AI, which I'm sure we'll speak to in a second. But just the integration alone, just for making it easier selling, faster selling, you'll get notified when there's online sales that exist. So, if you need to go get the product off the shelf, you can go do that quickly and easily and without overselling the product. And yeah, that's it.
Excellent. You were under 90 seconds, which is
I
fantastic.
know.
Was
Well,
I
Tim
over? Is
deserved it.
that what you're
Tim
Well,
deserved
saying?
it. So,
I don't know. Let's talk about what Justin mentioned, though, because actually at Red Gift Fair this year, for us, it's going to be all about AI and how we're bringing to life more AI tools within the point of sale software. We're not just going to talk about it, though, are we? We're going to show people how our software has got AI enablement to help retailers save time, make more money, and run businesses that they enjoy more.
Yeah,
mm,
absolutely.
yeah.
Yeah.
So the sort of things you get, because we already do stuff, we've been AI integrated since mid 2022, but the stuff you guys are going to be showing, for example, I know there's this really cool tool in the software you're going to demonstrate where somebody can add a new stock item to the point of sale software. And from within the POS, it will generate for them a blog post and it will post that blog post at whatever time or date they choose in at some point in the future.
Yeah. Yep.
Absolutely. And even the, automation of adding products in, being able to just, if it's a new product in the system, scan its
Yeah.
barcode, and our system will find its description and find its image and preload that for them. Like it's that whole process of add a product, get it on your website, like you said, do a blog post to go with it as well.
Yeah.
Incredibly seamless.
All in the click of a button.
Well, you've got the other thing that you're going to be able to demonstrate as well is this whole thing of importing an invoice from a supplier. So previously, software companies would have to code to import certain invoices. Now, with our AI tools in this space, you can basically give it any PDF from any supplier, and it will be able to import that as a digital invoice from scratch and save so much time and reduce so many mistakes.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah,
absolutely.
absolutely. Yeah. Any particular fire, really. So
And
can.
the testing they've done on that has just been fantastic. All these different invoices from many different suppliers across a whole range of industries.
Yeah,
Mm.
I've
Um,
seen it. I've seen a quick preview of it, but I'll definitely wrap my head around it before the trade show. So
it's
if
a pretty
people do want
exciting
to
bit
see
of
it,
tech.
yeah, yeah,
The other thing that you're going to be demonstrating is the ability for a retailer to say, hey, where does my pricing sit with others around me? And so using the AI, it will go out, it will do price comparisons for you. It will come back and say, If you want to be at the low end, here's your price. If you want to be at the middle level, here's your price. If you want to be at the high end, here's your price. It'll give you actual GP figures for each of those, and it'll show you where you sit within that band so you can make a decision. The goal here is to let you see potential opportunities for increasing prices where the market will very much support you doing that, and you'll be able to get more revenue from existing product. They're just three of the new AI tools that you're going to be able to demonstrate.
Yeah. Yep.
Obviously very excited. I know you're speechless.
Very
It's
excited,
pretty
yeah.
fantastic. So Justin, in terms of what the software does today, when you're talking to somebody, what's your AI pitch about the software?
AI pitch. The main one is the extended descriptions. Like obviously, I spoke about e-commerce integration. The thing I hear these days of people is a time poor. So that could mean one or two things. They're either working in the business a lot more, or they're busier, which is I guess a good thing. So our sort of goal over the last couple of years has been to basically speed up those processes and automate those processes. So the main one is the AI web descriptions. So at the click of a button, you click a button, obviously, get AI to write an extended description or a blurb about a particular item,
Yep.
and then shoot that across to your website.
So Tim, thinking about the trade show itself, because you're going to be on the booth with Justin,
Yeah.
people walk up, they want to have a look at the software. What are you hoping to achieve out of that interaction? You want to demonstrate the software to them and have them say, "Yep, we're ready to go," and make it happen?
Oh, look, I don't know. I mean, been doing these trade shows for quite a number of years, and it's really just about having a chat with people and understanding if this is going to be a good fit for them. Showing them a couple of cool features, and then when they're ready, they inevitably come back to us. So don't get me wrong, great if people are absolutely ready to come across, but we're pretty low pressure. Just come and have a chat. We'll show you how it works, and we'll go from there.
And everything's available to them too. They can see the pricing. It's very public. You'll take them through the process of onboarding, learning the software, converting data from other systems, as you said.
Yeah.
Um, and people who want to go away and then organise one-on-one demos, you'll both be able to do that after the trade show.
Yeah, absolutely. Even, if people do have time while they're there, absolutely happy to pencil in a time to sit down with them one on one and go through features in a more
Will you have a chair they can sit on?
chances are, I think we've actually got four. So yeah, they can even bring a couple of people along and we'll make it work.
Okay. Now, just between us, how excited are you for 4 days at the trade show?
Well, hang on, this is being recorded,
I'll
so
let you go.
It is
I'll let you
being
go
between
first, Tim.
us.
I'll let you go first.
But no, look, I mean, I'm looking forward to it. My process is I generally, go and have a bit of a look around while I'm there as well. So I don't know, it's a good chance to we see a lot of existing customers as well. So a good chance to reconnect with some of those.
Yep.
I'm going to be a
Yeah.
lot more honest. I've got a 3 and 5-year-old, so I'm absolutely looking forward to it. Yeah.
Whole different range of reasons.
I think one of the exciting things about this sort of trade show, because Reed is going to attract, you'll have some jewelers there, you'll have some gift shops there, you'll have some garden centres there, you'll have some news agents there, you'll have some kind of sort of general type retail there. And so it's a good opportunity to take the temperature of independent small business retail. And I think that's helpful for us. And also, it gives, I mean, you guys are going to be face to face, which you're often not face to face with each other during the year.
Yeah.
And like you said, you're going to get to see existing customers. And I think anytime a company like ours can be in front of existing customers is really helpful for us and for them. That we always get a lot out of that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah, totally agree.
okay, that's our pitch. Read Gift Fair this weekend. If you can't make it, you've just heard the best of the best from us. Any final words, Tim, you want to leave people with?
No, you know what? I was just thinking I should have checked what stand number we were so I could mention it in this video, but we'll have to just put that in the email.
I suspect none of us have done that. Justin, any final words from you?
No, look, if you can't make it there, as you mentioned, Tim or I are happy to organise a one-on-one via Zoom. Obviously, those AI tools will be out hopefully this week anyway. So, yeah, if you can't make it to see it in person, then, yeah, happy to demonstrate those online.
All right. Thanks, guys.
No
Cool.
worries. Thank you.